quick, I just wanted to show you guys that I was moving to a location that is a city, and yeah, and it's my first solo apartment. And you guys, like, I'm a little bit tired right now, but what I will say is I am so blessed. I am so grateful. I don't want to cry, so I'm gonna stop this video. But like, just to be able to have an apartment and like not have any roommates, and like, you know, it's yours, it's your home. Amazing. You know, I feel so blessed. Hey you guys, long time no see. I know I look a little, you know, a little crazy. I'm gonna look cute eventually, but I'm currently in Arizona. I just want to get on here to tell you guys that I am moving, and I wanted to just vlog it. I really wish that I would have like vlogged my life this like last like 3 months, or even last year or 3 months, because a lot has happened and I feel like it's enough to literally write a movie. I know my hair looks crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna be moving back to Atlanta right now. I'm at my friend's house in Arizona, but I was living in Jersey with family for about a year. Then I went to Sierra Leone for like 2 months, but I've been in Arizona for like a month, spending time with my friends. So yeah, just follow me along. Yeah, I have my own apartment. So I have my own apartment. It's in a like great area, great apartment, luxury building, and I'm so excited. I wanted to document this because it's just really, you know, monumental time for me. So come and follow me along. Okay, bye y'all. Yeah. But then also being an influencer and just seeing how many brands reach out, it's like a lot of these brands also need like other things. Yeah. Outside influence, like they need social media management is a huge one. It's really in high demand right now, and it's not, you can't really learn it in school. You just gotta learn it on your own. Do it, huh? Yeah. If you love video, like it's in high demand. TikTok. Yeah, I have so many clients just asking me, all we need is TikTok, because that's all we need. Just make. Yep, so I'll get models for them, or I'll be the model and we'll just do a bunch of TikToks. Yeah, so. I just wanted to show you guys that I was moving to a location that is a city, and yeah, and it's my first solo apartment. And you guys, like, I'm a little bit tired right now, but what I will say is I am so blessed. I am so grateful. I don't want to cry, so I'm gonna stop this video. But like, just to be able to have an apartment and like not have any roommates, and like, you know, it's yours, it's your home. Amazing. You know, I feel so blessed, especially as someone who, I've had a lot of housing instability like while growing up and things like that. So this means so much to me. Like, it means so much to me. I think the blessing, I'm even more grateful for this blessing because of all that I've been through. So I definitely do want to do an apartment tour. I do want to show you guys like me unboxing stuff. So follow me on TikTok. I'll probably be showing more updates on there. And let me know what you guys think about the whole safety thing and this and that. Okay, love you guys. Bye. Also, ask something else I'm gonna say. The way I got this apartment was very God. Like, I want to do like a big explain. I don't want this video to be too long, but let me tell you, I saw this apartment like, I don't want to say where I saw it because I don't want to give anything away, but like, I saw this apartment in like a show, like a TV show, literally, right? And I was like, wow, it'd be so great to like live there, you know? But long story short, it was like I couldn't live there because like you have to like own the apartment to live there. So I was like, oh, I can't do that now. Like, that's not, I'm not ready to own. Long story short, like I like my friend toured this apartment for me. I looked at this apartment and I was like, yo, I want this apartment. You know, even before she toured it for me, I wrote the person. I was like, yeah, I'm interested. I applied, everything I applied. They called me. I was the first one to apply. Saw this on Zillow. And you guys, can you guys believe that the day before I applied for this apartment and saw on Zillow, I was watching a TV show where this apartment was on, right? And the person on the show, it was like a show, bought an apartment in this building. And I literally said, wow, I wish I could live there, but I can't. Like, I'm not ready for home ownership yet. The next day, I see an apartment on Zillow. I apply, I get approved, not knowing that it's the same building as, listen to you guys, it's the same building as the apartment that I saw on the TV. It's literally basically the same like layout too. And like the same view and all of that. And I just think that's so crazy because when I was applying for it, when I saw it on sale, I didn't realize it was the same apartment that I saw the day before in the TV show. And I was literally like, oh my gosh, I really would love to live in that apartment. But, you know, so like God is just so amazing. Like things that you think like can't even happen, like God is like, yo, I'll do that for you, you know. It's just the timing of it is literally, it was like not even 24 hours later. And the fact that I didn't even realize that it was the same like complex, that I was like, wow, that I would love to live there, but I don't feel like I could at the time, you know. So I'm very grateful. I'm a little bit low energy right now, but just know that I want to just jump up and down and just like praise God. It means so much to me, you guys. Like as someone who had housing instability growing up, just to be in this beautiful space. And I remember my friend saying like, when she called me, because she did other tours, and she said, that place is amazing. She said, if you don't take that place, you're crazy. And then her friend said, if you don't take that place, we will take that place. So I'm so happy to be in this space. Anyways, that's really it. I'm about to go try to get my other packages and figure out like my food and stuff. I need to order my kitchen stuff like now. Yeah. But I don't know if I want to go like a wooden aesthetic for my kitchen or like a gold aesthetic for my kitchen. But let me know what you guys think below about the apartment tour, about anything I said in this video. Love you guys, and just don't ever count yourself out of nothing. Like God can always make a way from anything, you guys. Anyways, God bless you guys. I love you. Excited to share this part of my life journey with you guys, and bye. Y'all, so I just got some of my first packages in my new apartment. I got my mattress, was the first thing to come is here. I'm not opening it yet, because remember the previous person, their stuff is still here, so I have that mattress till they come. Yeah, I have that. Blanket check. Pillows check. And these feel so cool, like they feel cool. And airbed check. I don't need the airbed now that my mattress is here, but I'm like, should I just keep the airbed for when I have guests? Who knows? But I might just return the airbed. I'm gonna use these. If I don't like these today, I might return this blanket. I might return this if I don't like it, because I'm very picky. I'm not trying to just buy anything to buy anything. I want like the best of the best, you know? So this is a little small, this blanket. That's my only concern, but it is really cute. It's a little small. It's just enough for like one person. What if I want two people? So that's my only concern about this. The pillows I think will definitely stay though. Mattress probably definitely staying too. Okay, rewind. Beautiful day from whatever city I'm living in now. I kind of said it mistakenly. But y'all, I ordered a LULL mattress because everyone's saying get a LULL. So I'm unboxing it now, but I'm recording my phone for TikTok and IG. I'm sorry, for TikTok and YouTube. I was like, let me show y'all. So it's heavy. Like, yeah, today's just been a day. So it was this apartment can furnished from the landlord, and I told them I didn't want the furniture, so they took it out just now, moving people. So now some of my stuff has come. My mattress is already here. I'm about to just put it up. I don't know if I want it to be on this side or that side. Like, let me show y'all. So it could go on this side, like coming out here like this, right? Or it could go on this side, like coming out here like this. So I'm trying to decide. I'm tired, y'all. This better be the best mattress ever. But it feels like I'm getting a massage in my back. It feels so good. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna let it fluff out. I don't want to ruin this. I'm gonna sleep in my blow-up bed for 2 days until this fluffs out, but it feels like I'm getting a massage. So much stuff from my new home. I want to show you guys my first solo big girl apartment. Okay, let's go for the fridge. It's gonna look like I didn't buy nothing, but I spent like a lot, like hundreds of dollars on this stuff, and it's gonna look like nothing. But got some produce here. Ooh, snap, more produce here. You got some milk, some eggs. Got, yep, that mango juice, already almost done. Cheese, basil, water. I'm waiting on my water filters coming tomorrow. Then we got some French fries, some cream puffs, Cornish hen, shrimp, more basil, broccoli, chicken wings, salmon. And because y'all know this is a new apartment, I also got some hamburger meat. I'm about to make some burgers. cleaning supplies, plates and cutlery. Y'all can see what I got, right? Okay, so let me explain some stuff, right? So I had to get like seasonings from scratch. So I got these for now, but I will add more seasonings to it. Like I need like some more stuff. Got some sardines, ginger, avocado, bananas, this. But what was I gonna say? I got this temporarily until my real one comes. My real one doesn't come for like a week and a half. So I'm gonna use this for now. Another thing is that I got these temporarily until my real ones come. I haven't decided what kind of plates I want. If y'all have plate recommendations, let me know. I just want some groovy, like cool ones. I have cups that I'm gonna get. They're very groovy and retro, but I'm trying to like find the plates that are gonna go with the aesthetic of the cups. And then I'm gonna get like some gold cutlery, but I'm looking for one with like good reviews that doesn't like rust or nothing. So yeah, that's what I've done. And it's crazy how you could spend so much on food and it looks like nothing, but maybe to y'all it looks like something. But yeah, about to make dinner. Look at my kitchen. Big girl apartment, yes. So I am here cooking my first meal in my new apartment. I'm cooking dinner. I'm making French fries and a hamburger. Yeah, I don't know why, I'm just so tired. Is anyone like this tired from moving? I didn't even move like stuff, just traveled and moved suitcases. Like, I'm just so tired. But anyways, I'm about to eat. I haven't eaten all day. That's also why I'm tired. It's like 8 o'clock. But yeah, I'll show you guys once I'm done. That's what I have. This is my food. Yes, it's gonna be delicious. I already know it. Look at that juice. Look at that juice. Yes. Not aesthetically pleasing here, but it's about to crank. I know it's about to be so good. I'm about to eat it. So yeah. Y'all, burger so good. I'm sorry. I need to start eating it. Let's go. I don't know if you can see it, but it's good as hell. It's so good though. So I'm about to go get my toes done, and if there's a wax service close to there, or if I have time, I'm gonna get my Happy Trail wax and underarms wax too if I have time. I'm going out to dinner tonight with my cousin. She also lives here in Atlanta. Let's go get our toes done. I had a jerk shrimp salad. I didn't post it. Maybe I'll post something on the side or something. But all in all, my back and my body doesn't hurt no more. I feel so much better today. I feel a little bit more energetic too. And I think it's really because of this mattress. Like, I got the LULL mattress. I mean, I posted it in one of my vlogs or this one. I don't know which one I'm gonna post it in, but made a difference. And this is not sponsored. I just really feel like better. Like, I was able to sleep. Like, I've been having issues sleeping and finally was able to like sleep like for majority of the night. So yeah, about to go. Let's go. I'm switching to my Louis bag. I'm trying to rush because I'm taking the bus and it comes in like 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I think it's like a 3-minute walk away, but I'm new to this area, so I want to hurry up. Also, I was looking for a mask. I can't find one. I had two, and I saw one of them today. Overall, I'm packing like flats and a sweater just in case it gets cold later. Have my charger, credit cards, lip gloss, vitamin E oil, my headphones, and I'm going to pack a scrunchie in case I'm tired of this hair in a second. That's really it. My keys. I'm not the best with keys, but I'm gonna be now. Yep, so let's go. Hopefully it's not cold because I don't want to wear my sweater now. Let's go. Bye. Here you can see my outfit better a little bit. Just orangeness. I don't have many clothes here already, but yeah, elevator's open. Let's go. It's such a beautiful day in Atlanta. I just realized like I kind of am like close to everything because I live like in a good area. I'm not going to tell work, but it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. I'm trying to make sure that this time, me living in Atlanta, that I explore more things, and that I find more things to do and things like that. But right now I'm getting my Post done. Let's go. Like everywhere I go, I'm just seeing people in bikes like doing that. Hey you guys, I'm going out today, brunch in Atlanta. You know the vibes. Get into this outfit. So I'm wearing from top to bottom. Hair from My Hair Eden, earrings from the beauty supply store, top from B Fly LA, black owned brand. Hair is also a black owned brand. Pants by my seamstress in Sierra Leone, I guess black owned brand. Shoes are something by Chloe, not black owned, so I don't really care. They're like these sandals, bag, pretty little thing, rings, beauty supply store, and melanin god. Bye you guys.
You know that song? I am my shorty,
I want my shorty,
you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna enjoy a good time today, man. I'm gonna be your host for
play
today.
some Sierra Leonean music.
Hello, independence, right?
You know that song?
I said, girl, I'm gonna bend to left right. You can't even argue with me. You can't even argue. Yeah. That's me right now. I'm